I just thought I'd record a walkthrough so you can get an impression of what I'm planning and see if everything is okay. So the point of Visual Meta is to make documents more powerful and interactive by adding a few words in an appendix. With Paper, we have the first page with the colophon or copyright page or impressum. We've all seen it. PDF has basically no metadata that's used. So all Visual Meta is taking that kind of text, that kind of data, and putting on the last page of a document. So this is an example from this conference's paper. It starts with @VisualMetaStart and ends with @VisualMetaEnd. And inside we have wrappers. So for example, the head is what version this is, who produced it, and so on. Then we have self-citation, which is 100% actually the BibTeX for this document, which is used to allow others to cite this document. In the actual Visual Meta, there is a bit of an introduction explaining what this is, so someone on the other side of the world or in 100 years or more can get value out of Visual Meta. So it's a pretty simple structure, but there is more that we can do in the future and that we've been experimenting with, just not for the first ACM hypertext papers. For example, we have a content hash, which is a way of making sure that it's the document we're talking about. We also have extensions, which I'll go into. The first extension is really quite cool. As you may have noticed in BibTeX, the way names are written and other details can be arbitrary. So why not have a section here that says first name is this, middle name, last name, etc., plus all the other stuff that someone may want to have recorded about them and have that available in the document in a completely unambiguous manner. There's also the opportunity to have the entire references of the documents in Visual Meta, as well as headings so you can fold the document, interactive glossary, endnotes, and anybody can add anything they like, provided they describe what it is in the Visual Meta. You can also embed the entire document in Visual Meta. We've been experimenting with that. That's kind of interesting. And we're looking into how we can have an errata system, which is a page after the normal Visual Meta, to make sure that when changes are approved for this document, that they can go into your workflow. So the goal was making documents more powerful and interactive, adding a few words at the end of the document. The immediate benefit we have is things like a timeline, which can immediately grow when a Visual Meta enabled document is added to it. Here's an example by Adam and Mark. It's available at the link below. Of course, I'll be happy to share that later. We also have things like copy and paste a citation, just copy from a PDF and paste into the word processor, and it pastes like a full citation. This is enabled in our author and reader software for macOS, which also has things like folding, finding, endnotes, and interactive glossary. It's available online, but of course, I would be very happy to give anyone here a free license. Reader is free, but author requires a payment, or as I said, I'll make it free to you to export. The future, this is a pilot. Other journals are in the works. More information is available at visualmeta.info. And please note, this is a Future of Text initiative, along with the Future of Text book and symposium, available at Future Text Publishing. Thank you.